Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 summerwear with their correct spellings and pronunciations along their pictures, which will definitely grow your interest towards learning. Now, here we go. Number 1, T-shirt. T-S-H-I-R-T. T-shirt. Number 2, shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. Number 3, dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Number 4, polo shirt. P-O-L-O-S-H-I-R-T. Polo shirt. Number 5, swimsuit. S-W-I-M-S-U-I-T. Swimsuit. Number 6, bikini. B-I-K-I-N-I. Bikini. Number 7, tank tops. T-A-N-K. Tank. T-O-P-S. Tops. Tank tops. Number 8, Hawaiian shirt. H-A-W-A-I-I-A-N. Hawaiian. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Hawaiian shirt. Number 9, cap. C-A-P. Cap. Number 10, flip-flops. F-L-I-P. Flip. F-L-O-P-S. Flops. Flip-flops. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Do subscribe my channel and share them with others.